In this video, I'll be showing you how you can compress the size of files to make them smaller using the Google File Manager app. Simple and easy. So I'm going to use an audio for this tutorial. So I open my File Manager like this. You see the app here. Now I move to my audios here, and I'll be trying to compress this audio here, which is the tenor here, 2.5 megabytes. I tap on the three bars you see there. You see compress here. Just tap on the compress there, and you give the zip a name. So let's say tenor. Good. So now I tap on the view here to view my compressed file, and I'll have to extract it because it will be compressed in a zip form or a zip file. Good. So it takes me to my compressed files here, and you see tenor zip. So I just tap on that there to extract it. Good. And you can see that's the file I compressed here, and it's done now. So now when I come to my audios, it's going to appear there. So I can choose to delete the bigger size and then keep the smaller size, or keep the two of them. Yeah, so that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.